Okay, this is the Ionic and Covalent lab. You need to focus on the chart on the third page so you can record the results as I complete the lab. The two compounds that we will be using, we have salt, which is sodium chloride, NaCl, and then sucrose, which is our sugar. Okay, the first test what you're going to be doing is seeing which one of these is ionic and which is covalent based on the results of the lab. So first it's going to ask for solubility in tap water. So I have 2 beakers of tap water, and I will put sucrose in the one on the left and sodium chloride in the one on the right. And then you're supposed to stir and see which one will dissolve. Okay, now while that's still dissolving, I'm actually going to jump to the third part of your chart, which is solubility in alcohol. So here I have alcohol, and I will do the exact same thing. I will put sucrose in one, salt in the other, and then let them attempt to dissolve. Same thing. Let's go back to our tap water here and see how they look. Okay, and then I'll also stir up my alcohol. Okay, so we're going to let the alcohol sit, but our water right now is actually almost done. Yeah, it's looking really good here. Okay, so I'm going to hold these up so you can see it. This is our salt water. So it is cloudy because it is still dissolving, but if you listen, there's no grainy feeling on the bottom. So sodium chloride dissolves in water, tap water, and the sucrose is the same thing. I cannot hear anything on the bottom. So they are both totally dissolved. So right here, solubility in tap water, it's yes for both of them. Okay, now let's look at our alcohol. So this is our sugar. Okay, and this is our salt. So you can hear it, right? You can still hear the grainy sounds of the salt. But not so much of the sugar. The sugar is starting to go away. Okay, so I am going to let this sit for a little bit longer while I move on, but right now it's looking like the sugar is dissolving better than the salt, but I will come back to this and make sure. So I'm going to move on to my second step.